So, Adam here, guys. Last week you may have saw me salsa dancing with a T-Rex. Well, this week we're gonna get into basketball, the greatest sport ever. Alright, so we know most of the time, guys, that we're used to being on a basketball court with a bunch of people, with some friends, our family. But through these times it's been pretty difficult, right? We could hit some jump shots, practice some layups, dribble, just do whatever. So right now I'm gonna show you guys how to do this mostly without a net. Okay, so now see, we're gonna be working on our dribbling. Dribbling is one of the main parts of basketball. The reason why you want to know how to dribble is to get by defenders. Without a good handle, it'll be easy for somebody to steal the ball from you. Alright, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys chest passes and bounce passes. If you don't have a friend or nobody to work with, you could just practice against the wall. Just passing it straight from your chest, or passing it straight to the ground into somebody's hands. You want to be able to use both types. What you want to do to make it easier is to give yourself something to visualize. So for me, I had a little post-it note that I just posted on the wall so I can practice making accurate passes. So if you do have somebody to work with them. Practice your chest passes and your bounce passes. So luckily I have the luxury of working with a net and practicing my form. What you want to do is your shooting hand is obviously your dominant hand, whether you're left-handed or right-handed. Now I'm practicing my form, since I'm right-handed, just by something simple, a little flick of the wrist. Just think if you crumble up some homework, you're at work, you could just shoot. And as you can see, I made some and I missed some. But regardless if you make or miss it, just make sure that you're using the same form every time and you'll eventually get the rhythm of it. So see, I had my form down.
Yep.
Perfect.
Nice.
See, 2 shots
All right,
made. But I don't think the staff cared too much about it. So they just attacked me. They used up all their messed up homework to throw at me. Other than that. And that's what happens when all of your players suck.
Everybody's working on their form. It's so good.
We're gonna have extra cleaning to do now. Thanks for tuning in, guys. One love. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That was really fun. Today we got a little bit of shooting, dribbling, and passing in. Be sure to tune in next week and like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.